Okay, you may have blinds, and the blinds usually use chains. The chains break, and how you repair it. There is a way for that. I used to actually do a little bit sewing on that, but now I discovered that there is a blind chain repair bit. So I ordered it, and I've received it now. Let us see and open and see how it looks. So we bought it for Sure Promise one-stop solution for sourcing. Okay. And it is called Sure Promise 10 blind bead connector joiners. Okay, let's see what is inside. Oh, a piece of cardboard. And these are the beads. Okay, let's go and see how we can do it. Okay, this is our joiner and this is our bead. So each bead go into one side of this joiner, and then the lead can be closed. Let me do it. Oh, it was easier than what I thought. Look, we have it joined. Now the other side comes, and look how easy it snaps into place. Yeah, like that. So it looks like that now, and what we do is to close this. Finished. You have now a working bead chain, and it takes it fully to the height. Oh, lovely. Yeah, hallelujah. And it costs just a few pounds, and we have 19 more to use, or 10 more.